Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tech and gadgets to make your life easier and more efficient. Today, we're diving into a product that's ideal for anyone using Synology NAS systems and needs a reliable and high-performance memory upgrade. The OWC 32GB DDR4 ECC Memory Kit. If you're looking for the best ECC memory for your Synology NAS, this is the one you've been waiting for. Let's start by talking about what makes this kit so great. The OWC 32GB DDR4 ECC memory is designed to work seamlessly with Synology's DiskStation DS723+, DS923+, and other popular NAS models. It's a 32GB kit that includes two 16GB modules, running at 2666 MHz speed, and it comes with a low 1.2 volts power consumption that ensures efficiency while delivering top-tier performance. Why is this memory kit the best for Synology users? First, it's built to enhance your system's overall stability and reliability with error-correcting code technology. ECC memory helps prevent data corruption, which is crucial for systems that handle important data, like your NAS. Whether you're running a small business or storing personal files, having that extra layer of protection is essential. One of the key features of this memory is its unbuffered design, which contributes to lower latency and faster data processing. It's a 260-pin SATA module, making it a perfect fit for NAS systems, and it's compatible with various Synology models, including the DS1819+, DS1618+, DS1821+, and more. The fact that it's designed specifically for Synology devices ensures that you won't run into any compatibility issues. The OWC 32GB DDR4 ECC memory also stands out with its 2x16GB configuration. This is important because it allows your NAS system to handle more processes at once, making it better suited for multitasking, running apps, or handling large amounts of data without any hiccups. This is ideal for people who need fast and consistent performance, whether for media storage, file backups, or running virtual machines. Installing this memory is simple and straightforward. You don't need to be a tech expert to upgrade your Synology NAS system with the OWC memory. Plus, OWC offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind for the long haul. If you're serious about boosting the performance of your NAS system and ensuring your data is safe, the OWC 32GB DDR4 ECC memory kit is an investment you won't regret. It's a top-tier product that provides the reliability and speed needed for critical systems. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best tech out there.